Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be changing out the heater core. So right now I've pretty much located almost all the bolts I need to remove to get to it. I didn't see a lot of videos on this, so this is why I'm making it, just so you'll be able to, I don't know, if you want to tackle this, you know. But so here is your heater core box. You can see 2 in and outs, and then right in here you'll see that's your first bolt. Second bolt is just below it. You'll have to disconnect the resistor, and then the other 2 bolts you'll be removing, you can't see it because it's dark, but it's in there on the inside of the cabin. So as you can see, I've already started. Those 2 bolts on the inside of the cabin are actually on the firewall, so you have to kind of peek in here. This isn't for everybody. This was cut out because here is the computer that drives the fuel injection system, which I think it's like a Tahoe. But anyways, so you're taking out all these bolts here. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and then this guy will drop down, and then you can barely see it in there, but it's one right there and then one that's right below this, so you just got to take those off. So I'm just showing you how annoying this is to get back here. Oh, see, I think I'm gonna have to, yep, and look at that, I'm gonna have to do the same thing for it. You can really tell how old and nasty this thing is, and it almost looks like, but you'll need to take out all these. It looks like 4 on the top, 3 on each side, and 4 on the bottom. Alright, so we got this all back together. The one thing that I'll point out is when you're putting this in, there's a slot right in here. This metal plate that's in between that holds in between the heater core and these 2 boxes. I think this is made out of like a fiberglass material, because you have to watch out when you're tightening these bolts. I know there's some previous ones where they tightened it too tight and there was a gap and it basically broke that material on here, and then I did it as well on one of the holes, so I was trying to be very careful. But there's a slot. If you don't get it in there, it's not going to fit correctly. And then also, of course, don't forget your little temperature regulator or whatever. I want more hot air, so I'm going to basically open this up. If I want less, I'll close it. You want a medium, it's right in there. You can see basically just a little flapper. But make sure you have this in the line. There's a little groove right there at the bottom that you have to have it in. And then other than that, we can put it back in. I'm not sure how well you can hear me, but progress update, it's looking good. You can tell by touching the hoses that the inlet and outlet is getting coolant in and out from the heater core. It's working, seems to be working really good. I'm gonna go check on the heat as well. My coolant level has actually rose. It has burped a couple times, but not much. I don't think it would take a lot to fill up that heater core, but you never know. So now I'm gonna go check on the inside and see if it feels good and hot. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. Heater is working. It's not lukewarm or whatever, it is hot, and I'm loving it. This is gonna be great for the winter time. I know a couple days ago it was freezing. Now it's a little bit bearable outside, but once those cold days hits, I'm gonna have a heater now. And I'm super excited about that. It's loud, I apologize. It's all blowing, I'll just turn that off now. But yeah, no, I got quoted at a shop for 4 hours to do the heater core. I do not think that is very accurate. If I wasn't recording, I probably would have knocked this out in 30 minutes to an hour. It really did not take that long at all. I know other vehicles though, takes a long time. There's way more stuff you have to move, different considerations you have to take in, but if you're looking to tackle this one, super easy. Do not give hesitation. 2 parts were needed, actually 3 I guess. Heater core and then the hoses. You'll have 2 hoses. I decided to reuse my hoses. They looked pretty new, so you know, I'm just gonna roll with it. See, I'll eventually change them out, maybe, I'm not sure, but all in all, today was a success. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I am @CustomAddiction. Other than that, I'm super excited. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.